in this store before. And if you are an outdoors fan, this place is crazy. Is this a store? Or is this just outdoors all inside? I'm sure they were killed for good cause. Like this play. That's a moose. By the way, these moose, that's not even big. I've seen videos where they were literally twice, 3 times the size of a car. Gigantic like the store. Sweet Jesus.
You know, I remember the last time in this kind of store was when I first came to the United States.
I remember that, baby.
Yeah, you said, I'm going to take you there, honey. It's romantic.
I don't remember that. What?
Are you sure?
What are you talking about? I never said that. Why would I take you to the store for romance?
I love this place.
What the? That's making up lies. Making up lies. Do you even remember which one we went to? It's not this one. It was like a road trip in what state? Maybe Colorado? Somewhere out in the boondocks, there was another one. Nobody can hear you because you're behind me, Luda.
It was when I first came to the United States. And you were like, oh, you're going to love this store. It's so cool inside.
Isn't it cool? Am I lying? Look at this.
It is cool.
Baby, this store keeps going. It's like, who needs to go to a national park? It's like national park inside.
Right.
I mean, seriously.
You
People.
don't have to worry about bugs. And
No bugs. You can sleep in one
the
of these
heat.
tents as long as you don't get caught. I mean, look at the size of this fish pond. This is insane. Baby, you know what kind of fish this is?
Whoa.
Go stand next to it to show them the size comparison. That is a sturgeon. That's where caviar comes from.
Oh?
Yeah, you take that fish, baby, the fish eggs in that thing.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Why is that funny? What's out there? Boats? There's boats out there. Sharks above us.
Sharks. Volleyball.
This place is so big, you don't need boats outside. Just park them inside. Sweet mamacita. The store never ends. It's crazy. I've always loved the idea of having a boat. It's just that I don't know if I could drive one. You look so small on that thing. It is so big.
What do you mean? It's perfect.
It's perfect for you to crash, maybe.
So cool. Is that Smiler?
These are the kind of things I used to ride in the desert when I was a kid in Saudi Arabia. Except they were ATVs, 3 wheels versus 4.
Is this not ATV?
They are. They're quad runners. Like if we live in a more countryside, I would absolutely buy these. And just like roll around in the forest or the desert. Yeah, it's so much fun. So much fun. I still have dreams of becoming a fisherman, babe. Catch fish in the morning, feed the tourists that come by in the afternoon, and then by night take care of the ones that are sick from food poisoning.
Oh, this is for me. That's the perfect size.
How about this? Pink shotgun.
Cool.
Well, no, it's like a so it's like a V. It's like a it's not a real.
Baby, look. It has thick hair.
It's too late for me. Save yourself. Why do you want more thick hair? You keep talking about how you want laser to take off all the extra hair on you.
Well, I don't want that for you. Or my hair. I need a thicker hair, not on my legs.
You even got a rock wall in here. Are you crazy? You know what? I think we still have REI like gift cards that I got from 10 years ago. Clearly we are not outdoors people because we never used them. Let's go upstairs. Oh, wow. Babe, they have an archery range in here. I've always wanted to try archery. I don't know why we haven't yet, actually. It seems like it would be fun. Man, the sheer size of this place is insanity. You must be super cocky to dream up an idea to build a store that's big and then convince people to give you money to build it. This is like a city. Oh, those bow and arrows, those are like what Hawkeye would use to hunt mutant aliens.